Let's clean up with the shovel and
What do we have over here, Jeroni?
radiator.
We're moving the radiator on this truck because we will be doing the front main seal. So we have to remove everything from right here, including the hood, I mean, and then all the pulleys, or at least I think all the pulleys. We've never done a front main seal, but we're gonna learn. We'll get it done, right?
Yes, sir. Funny. And the thing.
What's going on, YouTube? You know who it is. It's your boy Shrek, and we're back with another video.
Oh, hey,
so,
ShreqBoi.
Sheesh. We got Jeroni today with us. We are going to be doing the front main seal on a Cascadia. This is, I believe, a DD16, DD15, DD16. Anyways, we're doing a front main seal on it. What we're going to do to this one is remove radiator. I believe I said it in another clip, but just explaining it again. Remove, like if we're doing a radiator on it, then we will be removing the hood just to get more clearance, more room in there. And I believe it's behind that crank pulley, I believe, because we've never done one of these. We're learning as we go, and we like to learn on our trucks. So with that being said, we're going to start removing all this, and we'll be back with you guys right now. Alrighty, so here's where we're at right now. I will be removing the fan clutch and then start on this pulley. This is a crank pulley. We're not removing the hood after all. I'm trying to do it without removing so much stuff, so that's where we're at right now. I'll start removing this stuff right now. Alright, so to take off a fan clutch, which we're right here, really easy right now because we don't have nothing in the way, but it's just 4 bolts. They're 18s. Those 4, and don't forget to remove that line right there, and that's just how you slip it off. Yeah.
No, let's clean up with the shovel and
Oh, fucking finger. Ya lo They did the pressure against my fingers with this. Ah!
Oh, not very smart put in there.
I know.
Yeah, that's it.
Sometimes you just need to talk to it. Let me try the other way just in case.
ladies and gentlemen, this is where we are at now. We went ahead and drained the oil pan, or the oil from the oil pan. We are actually going to drop it because we want to do this one right. So we're going to replace the oil pan gasket, drop the oil pan, replace the gasket. And what is this? Anyways, we're going to do that. Then of course the gasket, the seal, replace all that, I think. Yeah, and drop the oil pan like I said. So that'll probably be, I'm not sure if the video is going to end here or that'll be part of this video. Regardless, that's where we're at right now.
Because right now we would have been putting back the hood.
Here's the progress now. We did go ahead and put the pulley for the crank, the fan clutch. We do have the belt back on. I have to attach that hose that goes on top of the fan clutch. And then we will be starting to put the radiator back on. So far, so good, guys. Progress, progress, progress. And that should basically be it for a front main seal and the cover seal, or the gasket, whatever it was. Yeah, so far so good. So here's the progress for this one, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the progress. We went ahead and put everything back together. Radiators in there. The boost hoses, or the intercooler hoses, the CAC hoses, whatever you want to call them, are on. The reservoir's on. We just need to fasten some clamps. The hood latch, the transmission cooler lines as well. They're on. Okay. Fill it up with coolant, fill it with oil, put the bumper back on, and this truck should be good to go, guys. So this is where we're gonna end up this video. Don't forget to comment, share, like, subscribe. If you're at home, enjoy time with your family. If you're on the road, be safe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.